Northwest Technical Institute is a career center for all of Northwest Arkansas. So we have automotive, collision, diesel mechanics, and welding. So we offer a 2-year welding program to all of Northwest Arkansas high school students, along with HAR-BER and Springdale, Fayetteville, all the big schools. So HAR-BER usually sends anywhere from 4 to 8 high school students just to the welding program. We're getting our students ready for the welding workforce, and what we do is bring them in here, teach them all the basics of welding and cutting, and then along with that we teach them the soft skills on what it takes to actually get a welding job and keep a welding job, you know, with things like interview skills, punctuality, hard work ethic, trust. Those kind of things are important to us, so we try to convey them to our students while they're here, along with welding, teaching them how to run a cutting torch and plasma cutter, and learning all the welding skills they need along with those soft skills.
The most important thing is like pretty much safety, because there's a lot of risk, and so first things first is safety's always, and we got to wear safety stuff like leather jackets, gloves, and shields.
I like coming into NTI because I want to learn how to weld, and sitting in a classroom isn't for me. Well, I'm really hands-on, and I want to do stuff in the field, get a skill, so I like welding. I like creating things.
So it's just another career path for students that maybe are not on a 4-year, college diploma path, that can get into a skill that they can go out and make a good living and provide for their family.
I'm in 11th grade, and I'll do it again next year. I'll have a higher level to be certified and get, make more money in the future.